Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are safe and fine at your homes. Thank you for watching my last video. It is the second part of my learning Punjabi language in English. Today we learn about next 5 words of gurumukhi. Before learning, if you like my videos, then click on the like and subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get notifications. Firstly, I will show the answers of my previous exercise that are here. You have to match these answers with your answers, then count the scores and write it in the comment box. As I said in my previous video that we will also talk about some civilization of Punjab. Our today's topic of civilization is the symbol of Punjab. First symbol of Punjab is the emblem of Punjab. Emblem of Punjab is the line of capital of Ashoka. Its design is encircled line capital of Ashoka with a wheat stem above it and crosswords below it. Around the line capital is written in the legend Government of Punjab in the English, Hindi and Punjabi language. He also shows the picture of it in this slide. Second symbol is the language. In Punjab, most of the people speaks Punjabi and therefore this comes in the symbols of Punjab. And the third symbol is dance. When we think about dance, then the word enjoyment comes in our mind. In Punjab, there are many kinds of dances, but the symbols of Punjab are two, that are Gidda and Bhangra. Let's talk about Gidda first. It is the folk dance of women in Punjab. In this dance, women stands in a circle formation and using clap rhythms. A lead woman will speak Saboli with the refrain that the entire circle then repeats. And Bhangra is a type of traditional dance of the Indian natives originating in the Majha area of Punjab. In this, several dancers executed vigorous kicks, leaps, and bends of the body to the accompaniment of short, most significantly to the beat of dole. I am finishing my civilization topic here. Now we start our new topic, learning. Today we learn our next 5 words. Our next 5 alphabet of gurumukhi that are shown on the screen. I also speak that the 6th letter is kakka, 7th letter is kakka, 8th letter is gagga, 9th letter is gagga and 10th letter is anga. Now we learn it briefly one by one. Our 6th letter of gurumukhi is K-A-K-A, kakka. It denoted in English with K. You can write it with this slide. The word made from the slide first is kakka for ka. You are watching on the screen the first letter of ka is kakka. From this example, I want to tell you that you can find more example like this. I want to tell you, you can find more examples like kakka for kabutar in Punjabi. The seventh letter of gurumukhi is KHA. KHA is kha. It denotes with KH. Please write it into your notebooks. From this alphabet, these are some examples. The first is muskmelon in English and khakha for kharbuja in Punjabi. Second one is cucumber in English and khakha for kira in Punjabi. And next alphabet is GHA. GHA, that is Gagga. It pronunciates as Gagga in Punjabi and it denotes with G in English. I display some examples on screen which describes this alphabet that are Gagga for Kamla, Gagga for Gajar in Punjabi. In English, pod is called Kamla and the carrot is called Gajar. The second last alphabet of our today's topic is GHA. GHA is Gagga. Its pronunciation is Gagga in Punjabi and it denotes with GH in English. It seems same like Gagga. These are words that I display on screen to remember this alphabet. First is Kagga for car, or we can say K. K for car. It is called home in English and car in Punjabi language. Second example is Koda. The first two letters represent the alphabet GH, that is K. The whole word is represent to a word Koda. In English, it is called horse. The last letter of today's topic is Anga. Its pronunciation in Punjabi is Anga. It seems funny to speak, but when you speak it fluently, it is a nice language. This Anga letter does not use in the front of the word. It is always used on the end of the letter. For example, it is the picture of Bengal, and when in Punjabi we call Bang to Bengal. In this word is at the last. You can say it on the screen. So these are our today's 5 words. Here are some exercise as I showed in my last video. You can write their answer on your notebooks. The answers of these questions in my next video. Thank you for watching my video and keep supporting me. Please don't forget to click on the like and subscribe button if you like this video.